Imagine waking up one day and seeing the sun explode in the sky. What would you do? How would you survive? And what would be the fate of humanity? In this video, we're going to explore one of the most terrifying scenarios ever. What if the sun exploded tomorrow? Now, before you panic and start packing your bags for Mars, let me clarify something. The sun is not going to explode tomorrow, or anytime soon for that matter. The sun is a stable star that has been burning hydrogen for about 6 billion years, and it will continue to do so for another 5 billion years or so, until it runs out of fuel and becomes a red giant. So, the sun is not going to blow up and destroy the solar system. But what if it did? What if, for some unknown reason, the sun suddenly went supernova and released a massive amount of energy and radiation in all directions? What would happen to the Earth and its inhabitants? Well, spoiler alert, it wouldn't be pretty. The first thing that would happen is that we would see a bright flash of light in the sky, brighter than anything we've ever seen before. This would be the sun's outer layers expanding and ejecting at high speeds, creating a shockwave that would travel through space at about 10 of the speed of light. This flash would last for a few minutes and then fade away as the sun's core collapsed into a black hole. But we wouldn't feel anything yet. That's because light travels faster than sound, or in this case, faster than matter. It would take about 8 minutes for the light from the sun's explosion to reach us, but it would take another 7 hours for the shockwave to hit us. So, we would have some time to prepare for the inevitable doom. But what could we do? Not much, really. The shockwave would carry with it a blast of radiation that would fry everything in its path. The Earth's magnetic field and atmosphere would offer some protection, but not enough to save us from the lethal dose of gamma rays, X-rays, and cosmic rays that would bombard us. The shockwave would also strip away the Earth's atmosphere and oceans, leaving behind a barren and scorched planet. The only chance of survival would be to hide underground or in a deep bunker, in hope that the radiation doesn't penetrate too far. But even then, you would have to deal with the lack of oxygen, water, food, and sunlight. And you would have to face the fact that you are alone in a dark and hostile universe. So, yeah, not a very pleasant scenario. But don't worry. Remember that this is just a hypothetical question. The sun is not going to explode tomorrow or ever. That's all for today. But wait, there is more. Watch our next video. What if aliens visited Earth? How would they look, talk, and act? And what would they want from us? Watch this awesome video and find out. Click here now.